The Carrier Control Worksheet is a very useful tool for fleet control, budget management, and monthly expenses for your company. A vehicle and expense control is important for fleet management because having a greater amount of information, allowing the resources to be used properly, both to avoid waste and to increase the investment possibilities of the business. This is a common concern. After all, for those who need to manage a fleet, there are many variables and needs to be considered. It doesn't matter if your company has its own vehicles or if it uses the services of an outsourced company. The truth is that having control of the operation is a task that requires more than just making notes in a notebook. The application of a fleet control is essential, while in such crowded times, especially these days, the use of any kind of control becomes almost indispensable. After all, cost reduction is a challenge that can make the company more competitive in the market, maximizing its profits, increasing productivity, and improving its performance, and still contributes to more efficient decision-making in the operational sector. The Excel Coaching Carrier spreadsheet was developed to give this control and security to the businessman, besides speeding up a task that is usually done manually. With this, you and your company can maximize your earnings. This was our Carrier Control Worksheet. If you are interested in purchasing, the link is in the description. Leave your like and follow our channel.